Bobby York from Tulsa, Oklahoma, and this is my '67 Mustang. I've been dealing with Unique Auto Restoration in Tulsa, and he's the one that hooked me up on this deal here. E.C.D was going to start building Mustangs. That's sweet. That is sweet.
That is nice.
Why you get upset for? It's all modern. It's the old look, but with everything modern. '67 Mustang's always been my favorite body style. The way they laid it out, the way we could design the chassis, the tires, the wheels, the motor, the interior. Well, we picked everything out, the paint. So it's like going and ordering a new car, but you know, it's still a '67. So it's got a modern chassis and suspension. It's not like an old '67 Mustang. It rides like a new one. The motor, Roush motor in it, fuel injection, automatic transmission. I mean, it shifts great. It runs great. It's like a new car. Gauges are all new. I mean, modern stuff, and the chassis is just. I mean, the ride is top notch. Didn't want mine to look like everybody else's, so we went with kind of like the pearl white with the metallic black stripes, and it's like I said, it's one-of-one. From the time they started, I got updates every week, got pictures, got videos, and then we come down one other time during the Daytona race. We was down here, so we come and checked it, and it was in paint then, and just seeing the progress week after week, just seeing it go through. So they've been great to work with. We do a lot of car cruises, so we'll be taking it to the car cruises. The first show, we're going to try to make the Route 66 show in Tulsa in the middle of June. I got it entered in that, so that'll be the first car show it goes to. But just basically car shows and cruising and just having fun with it. It's turned out perfect.